Hey everyone! Are you looking for the absolute best Hostinger coupon code right now? In this quick 2-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim a cheap hosting plan with a special 20% extra referral discount that most people miss. Let's get started. First, click the Hostinger coupon link I've added at the top of the description below this video. This is important. It automatically activates the extra 20% referral discount for you. Next, pick the hosting type that fits your project: web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, or VPS hosting. For this tutorial, we're choosing the most popular: web hosting. Scroll down to compare the pricing. You'll see which plan is labeled best or most popular. The total price now includes both the standard Hostinger discount and our exclusive referral deal. Pick the one that fits your website needs and click Choose Plan. On the order summary page, select your billing period: 12, 24, or 48 months. Longer terms usually save the most. Double-check that the 20% referral discount is visible, then click Continue. Use an email you haven't used on Hostinger before to get the max discount and set a secure password. Click Continue to reach the payment portal, complete your payment, and Hostinger will email your receipt instantly. That's it.